part 2 of the mukbang. Healthy edition. I thought I got shit all over me. I don't know if I'll always do mukbangs or do them often or ever again. I'm just kind of experimenting. Some people like this stuff, and I like eating the food, the good food, especially when it's good for me. Why does cucumber taste weird with pickle? Considering these are pickle, I mean cucumbers, for fuck's sake. Let me know if you want me to do more of these, because I will. Man, those are sour today. We're watching Oh My Gosh. He's a paranormal guy. Really good. Now we're trying the garlic pickle chips. Oh gosh, those are so good. Mom, those garlic pickle chips are great. I'm not gonna eat them all. My mama's the best. I love my mama. Wondering what that is. It's because I have a problem with picking, and I pulled this dry skin off on my lip, and I pick. You know, unfortunately, some people with autism and ADHD do that kind of stuff. It's a stim. Everybody stims to a degree, but more so with autism, neurodiverse people. Whoopsie. Oh shit, man. Those Puff Panda gummies get you, man. Sorry. Another orange pepper. Really sweet. Oops. I don't think I'm going to eat that other radish. I'm not feeling it. That was gross, kind of.